Here they come. The first friends in our parade are just around the corner. Here comes our first friend. A is for alligator, chomping his teeth in a friendly hello. B is for bear, bouncing a bright blue ball, bowing, bowing. C is for cat, climbing up high to see the parade. D is for duck, dancing a silly dance, quack, quack, wiggle, wiggle. E is for elephant, munching leaves with her long trunk. F is for fish, blowing bubbles in his ocean home. G is for giraffe, giggling as she looks out over everyone. What a fantastic start. Let's keep marching. H is for hippo, hiding in the water and playing peekaboo. I is for iguana, enjoying a strawberry ice cream cone. What a silly sight. J is for jaguar, leaping over a jungle log with grace. K is for kangaroo, flying a kite with her joey. L is for lion, roaring a big hello with his magnificent mane. M is for mouse, munching on cheese, squeak, squeak. N is for narwhal, napping on a soft iceberg. So many amazing animals, let's keep going. O is for owl, hooting a happy tune from his tree. P is for penguin, painting a colorful masterpiece. Q is for quail, leading her fluffy chicks in a line. R is for rabbit, running a race and cheering for his friend. S is for snake, sliding down a slippery slide. Whee! T is for turtle, taking his time and enjoying the journey. U is for umbrella bird, using his crest to stay dry from a pretend rain shower. The parade is still going strong. Let's see who's next. We're almost at the end. V is for vulture, playing a vibrant violin. W is for whale, waving his giant flipper in the ocean. X is for xenops, examining a map with an X, searching for treasure. Y is for yak, yawning after a long parade. Z is for zebra, zipping up his jacket. Zip, zip. All our animal friends are here for a final wave. What a colorful, joyful parade. You did it. You learned all the letters of the alphabet with the Animal Alphabet Parade. Thanks for singing, dancing, and learning. See you next time for another adventure.